Hello, this is John Davis, and I am presenting the rotating IMU project. The goal of this project was to rotate an IMU on a stepper motor back and forth 90 degrees. Then take the data from the IMU, the accelerometer readings, and the gyroscope readings, and display them to the LCD screen, as shown here. Now, to begin to get a better understanding of the project, we'll first look at hardware. Hardware-wise, we have the IMU, which is an MP9250, a stepper motor, which is an EMA 17, and a stepper driver, which is an A4988. The processor is a PIC-18 microprocessor with an LCD screen attachment, and then I use an AD2 to collect data and graph the data upon graphs. Now, on the software side, there's two aspects, the stepper motor turn and the IMU read data. The stepper motor turn was a relatively simple timing function which required 50 steps to rotate 90 degrees. And the IMU was a little more complicated in that it needed an I2C protocol to take in the data. Thus, I had to create an I2C protocol for the PIC-18 board. This I2C protocol is currently shown in the data strips here. This is graphed using waveforms from the AD2. As you can see here, we have the write function to the IMU. We then acknowledges, and then we write to it the register we would like to read from. We restart the process, then write to the IMU saying we now want to read, and now the IMU gives us data. As you can see, we acknowledge every time we receive data, and then the IMU gives us more data. Each of these represents a bit or a byte of data, and every accelerometer reading and gyroscope reading require 2 bytes per axis. The accelerometer is a 3-axis XYZ, which gives us 6 bytes, and the gyroscope is a 3 axes with 6 bytes, giving us 6 bytes. Now, as you can see, this was a complete success, and that the IMU is able to turn and give us data at the same time. This is the project. I appreciate your time. Thank you.